that too, but.
Okay, now try to go. Or I can get them both in.
Okay, open your card. Can you eat your egg right now? Is
Candy?
that candy?
Candy.
Is that pretty good? Okay. No, you're still eating your one.
No, eat the other one.
Eat the other one first.
Eat that one first.
Today's you get candy today. Oh, can you open those? Oh, you got more candy. Pink. Good girl. That's what I saw. Yeah. Good girl. Oh, look, he's got a